Today we're going from this to this. Here's the garage door opener that we're going to modify. I'll put a link in the description. It's on Amazon and it's pretty cheap. So let's open it up. Here's the guts. We're just gonna move this because we are not gonna need it anymore. I programmed this particular one on B, so we will be messing with that switch right there. So here's the unit, and we're gonna remove the battery. And I just wanna make sure these contacts are good and down before I get started. All right. So what we need to do is unsolder this right here. So we are gonna just hit that. Loosen that up. Let's get a little solder on this for some heat transfer. There we go. All right, let's put some fresh solder on these contact points. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this is the handlebar switch that I ordered off of Amazon. These are the two wires you're gonna need for power or to, get the switch to activate. This one is to make the LED in here light up. We're not gonna use this one. Now, I custom made this little project box in tinkercad, and I 3D printed it to accomplish this little project. So these right here are just little zip tie holds because I'm gonna zip tie it to the front of the bike. And there's the hole for that cable. So we gotta run the cable through here first, then do our soldering. I went for a tight fit because I wanted it to be very waterproof. Okay, so there we go. There's our wires. Here, we are going to connect them to here and here. Okay, so we'll trim them at about here. So now we're going to go ahead and tin these wires. Okay, so now we connect these wires to these little pads. Okay, wires are soldered. We flip this upside down and we close this bad boy up, hopefully. Let's see if this battery is quite in the way. Yep, that'll close up nicely. Okay, so I designed this to use M3 by 10 mil bolts. Okay, so we're gonna close this up. I have gone ahead and put the switch on the handlebars, and I zip tied the little box to this part of the little frame here, and we should be good to go. All right, well, I hope you found that helpful. I've put a link in the description to both the garage door opener I used and the my 3D print file that I made. They'll work seamlessly together. If you don't have a 3D printer and this is something you still want to do, you could just get a random project box off of Amazon and do the same. Double check that the switch is the appropriate size for your handlebars. I've been using this setup now for, I don't know, about a month, and it's been working flawless. And the range has been a lot better because before I had to be right up on the garage door. Now I can literally half a block away, hit that button, and garage door opens right up. Hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like. Have a good one.